Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm making a Christmas tree decoration for my wife. She's seen a story online about spiders making cobwebs on a Christmas tree and Father Christmas coming down the chimney, turning the cobwebs into gold and silver. So she's asked me if I'll make a spider's web. So, what's the spider's web without a spider? I've also got a spider to go on it. But I thought this would be an ideal opportunity to try out the Algo Laser DIY kit and cutting out shapes. So I'm going to cut the spider's web out on the laser engraver. For this video I need to cut out a spider's web. I've put a waste block. This is a scrap piece I've practiced on before. I've got some little washers just to raise up my workpiece, and this is just a piece of 2mm ply. This is a 10m square. It's actually meant to be a coaster, but it's ideal for this project. So I'll place it on top of the washers to raise it up from the workpiece. Now it's time to start cutting. Don't think I've done too bad for my first attempt. Now this needs to be painted silver or gold, and it needs to have some glitter put on it. What I'm going to do now is spray the back of the web silver, and then once that's dry I'm going to flip it over, spray the front and sprinkle some glitter on it, and hopefully the glitter will stick to the paint, and then I can just put a layer of lacquer on that, and then it's ready to add a spider. Silver spider web's all dry now. I've got a little shiny spider. This is actually a brooch from Amazon. It cost me $7.99. My wife picked it because it's all nice and shiny. I'm going to secure it on the back with some UV resin, and I've got some gold ribbon so it can be hung on the tree. So all I'm going to do is unfasten the brooch, thread it through on this side, clip it into place. Blob of UV resin. That's now ready to hang on the tree. So this is the finished spider's web. Hope my wife likes it. Hope it's just what she wanted. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.